Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So in today's menu, I'm cooking fried chicken. I have leg and thighs here, so it's like 6 pieces. I'm just getting to season it right now. Black pepper, sazon, garlic, ginger, and pimento, chicken, all-purpose, oh, and I'm gonna put a little jerk chicken on it, jerk chicken season on it. Okay, mix it up. Now 2:24. I'm letting it marinate for like 30 minutes until 3 o'clock, and then I fry it. Okay. Cover it up and let it marinate for. So this is Gaelic peas. I think it's called pigeon peas here. Almost time for rice there. So my green peas are already cooked, and I added the coconut milk, thyme, and scallion. In the same way that you would cook the rest of the peas. No difference. Because it's different peas. So use the same method as you cook the rest of the peas. And there I'm making some orange peel tea, so I can have my vitamin C for the day. I'm gonna add the peas in the water. The rice in the water. I'm gonna add it right now, actually. Well, I'm waiting for it. See? 2:51. I'm gonna come for my chicken. Color, guys. I have a cup of tea. Put the whole thing in there. I'm gonna add a little sugar because I don't got no honey. Can't find honey. Oh, I got what she said. I add a little bit of brown sugar in there. Amount of sugar? Sure. Okay. I can't sip it right now because it's piping hot. chicken here. I have my flour and my egg. This is one egg that I beat up. And I added this black pepper to it. So, I'm going to check if this pot is ready. So, I'm going to go in the egg first. Dip it in the egg first. Because I want my fried chicken to be crunchy. And the flour. I'm making a mess. Shake off the flour. Add it to the pot. Same process again. Some egg. And the flour. I don't know, so I don't know why it's popping. Some fried chicken. Yo. Fried chicken smells good. There's rice. Some cool rice. This is time when I would fuck it on. Let it suck out this of the water. But I'm not even going to put my focus on. I'm just going to keep it on low. Color of the chicken, guys. So good. This has been 4 minutes. I'm just gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip it 2 times though. See the color that's on the chicken. Smells yummy. Smells so good. There's another 4 minutes. So what's another do again? Let's flip it again. Look there, funny color. Oh. Look there. The people. Nossa. That chicken color looks good. Alright, let me put all the rest in there. See, this is why I only use one egg because, well, depends on how many pieces of chicken you're cooking. You're fine. Just 6 pieces of chicken, and I just soaked up basically all of it. With just love the color. The color is really light. Right, finished. Shelly and nice. Just like I like it. So don't like that part, but whatever. That's for the French chicken. I'm gonna have to wash it. After this side is ready.